Hello, this is Tom Psillas, CEO of wetcrow.com. It's WETCROW.com. You probably heard of me. I'm the guy with they used to call me Wet Crow when I had hair on top of my head when I was in high school. That's where I got my nickname. So eventually, when I got older, I bought the domain, and man, I'm glad I did. It's we have a great company. We basically, we basically provide business for handymen and other service providers. Let me get to the topic of this video. It's what I want to say is every single person that has ever taken this piece of advice from me, is making 3 times the money, more revenue. Okay, and I mean that when I say that, because I'm trying to help you make money. So, what most contractors do, where they advertise, they go to Angie's List, they put a listing, they pay for the leads as they get them in, okay? And like I've said in other videos, they sell those leads 20 times, okay? They're making more money than you're ever going to make. You might do a job for $1,000, and then they're going to make $2,000 much quicker than you're going to make $1,000, okay? And you're doing all the hard work, and they're just sitting there punching a couple buttons on a computer, and they're selling the leads because they're good at what they do. They have the best salespeople on earth. They're Grant Cardone trained, I think. I'm not sure. If you know who Grant Cardone is, you'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, there's a better way to do this. Okay, my suggestion: if you're a handyman, I'm going to use that as an example. It goes for the same thing. Cleaning companies, because we have those on our site too. We cater to all of them. I mean, obviously, I definitely would love to have you on our site, but that's not the whole purpose of this. I want to help you make more money much quicker. What I would do, if you need money right away, go get those door hangers made up, 300 of them, put them on 300 homes in your neighborhood. That's going to spur your initial activity. You'll probably be busy for a while, a couple months, maybe a month or so. You'll be very busy, and you're going to thank me for it. You're going to make triple the revenue. Now, here's what you do. Here's the trick to that. When you get your customers, if they spend $1,000 with you, or even $800, whatever your threshold is, buy them a freaking pizza for crying out loud. It only costs you $20. Maybe you'll get a deal for $10. Tell the pizza house I'm giving these away to people who buy from me, okay? And do that every time. You're going to make more money from that. That little piece of thank you is going to make you probably 10 times more money, not 3 times more. But I guarantee you're going to make triple the revenue, because they're going to tell their friends, oh my God, that guy that put the door hangers on there, he did a great job. Look at the room he put on my house, and he bought us a pizza too. Now how many guys do that, really? So that's the word of mouth, and that's going to come out to all the neighbors. All the people who put the door hangers on, oh shit, the neighbor's going to go, I threw mine out. You have an extra one? Sure, here's his number right here. Okay, that's how you're going to get your business, word of mouth. Okay, that's your best source of business. I can't stress that. Now, if you don't get that many, all right, let's assume you don't. You can always come to wetcrow.com. You can sign up. It costs you nothing, and then we'll provide business for you. We take a 20% cut. It's not a lot when you think about it. You just price it. You take your whatever you want on net times 1.25. That's the price you're going to put on there after, for each service. Okay. The ones that take only less than 2 hours. If they take 4 hours, obviously that's a different animal. Okay, but we'll help you with that. Don't worry about it. You'll see a suggested price. You can use that. You can create your own. You can raise it. If you're in New York, you can lower it if you're in Denver, Colorado, because there's a lot of competition there. So I'm just trying to give you some advice how to make more money. Now, some areas are going to give you a hard time, like in suburban Atlanta. They're kind of anal about you going and posting things. No soliciting, no littering. They even consider putting door hangers on as littering. I mean, it's bullshit. I still do it. I've gotten called by the neighborhood supervisor. Come take all these flyers off. I'm going to arrest you. Okay, I'll be there tomorrow. I'm out of town right now. I'm going to be back in 2 days. I'm sorry. I'll get them taken out for you in 2 days. Bullshit. The people already took them out and took them in their homes. Some threw them out. Some called. And I'll be honest with you. I had a cleaning lady. She picked up 5 customers from that neighborhood and never heard back from the neighborhood association again, okay? So then she's in there all the time, and then the guy stopped her when they said, what are you doing, posting posters? No, I got customers here from before. It's just one of those things you learn how to deal with, okay? Like I said, you put the posters on 300 homes, the door hangers, they're going to call you, you're going to do a good job, you're going to give them a free pizza if it's like 800 or more. It depends. You could do it for 500. It's up to you. If it's all labor, why not? Okay? A free pizza will get you many, many, many more customers, I promise you. The whole neighborhood's going to find, this guy gave us a pizza. Oh, no shit. What's his number? That's how you make money, my friends. So I just want to put that past you. I hope you guys have a nice evening, and we'll talk again and watch my other videos. Thank you.